nicely with the pizza stone in there. All evenly heated. It's a work of art. Beautiful. Bob and I prepare our Christmas dinner together in the backpack. The Roberta potatoes are looking amazing. Yep.
Where's near enough? Oh, wait a minute. Yeah.
We're gonna have our annual prime rib for Christmas. Bob's preparing it now with garlic butter. Should be amazing.
And it's going in that.
In our RV oven.
So as you can see, it's just me and Ange for Christmas. And our kids came to us and said they wanted to do their own traditions, and we totally understood. So what we do is we celebrate Thanksgiving on Thursday and Christmas on Friday.
With our kids.
Yep, with our kids and our grandkids, the whole gang. And then Saturday we hang out, and then Sunday we depart.
For Florida. This also helps us get out of New York before the snow flies.
And we call it Thanksmas. So that's something we've been celebrating now for, I believe, 4 years. And it's worked out for everybody. Now we just spend a quiet Christmas, just the two of us, focusing more on the birth of Christ.
So this year we cut the prime rib in half. It's supposed to be a 3-bone ribeye rack, and in order to fit it in this pan, in that oven, we've decided to split it into 2.
Is that good?
That looks great. Super.
And now for the famous Aunt Roberta potatoes.
Oh, look at that.
This was something our aunt made, and it's just been in our family ever since she made it.
Where are you going? Don't you think you forgot the pan?
Oh yeah, that'd be a good idea, eh? You tell I ain't in the kitchen a lot. The handles are deceiving.
You crack me up. A little appetizer before dinner.
This is Angie's famous cheese log. That's awesome.
All right, babe, dig in. Ooh. Looks amazing.
Put her right down the middle. Oh.
Amazing. Wow. Look at that.
All right, you're going to want the bone, right?
Yes, please.
We want to take this time to thank everybody for watching, and we want to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. God bless.